You see this glow? This soft glow. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be talking about. Cue intro. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about the Tiffen 1/2. 1/2. I got this from B&H. And here's a video from another YouTuber that I watch. He's smart, he's knowledgeable, he don't even know if that's a word, and he gives a great example of what harsh and soft light is. Check it out.
Diffusion glows and takes on the light source. We have a small little light source here, but once we put the bigger sheet of diffusion in front of it, the whole diffusion sheet becomes a light source.
And that's how the black polar whatever mist, it removes that texture and makes it softer. So the micro textures that you have on your face, it gets rid of them. Check it out. See the difference? It's so much sharper. But sometimes you don't want to be so sharp. I don't think I'm the most attractive person in the world. I have a lot of dry skin and I don't want to feel so insecure, whatever you want to call it. But I also want my light to be super soft. So when I put this on, before, after. Mist Pro 1/2. So it's $89. For each size is a little different. Mine was the 49, and I guess the smaller it is, there's less glass and it's cheaper. I got it from Amazon, I think, but let's see the 52. See, a little cheaper, less glass, I guess, you know, so it's less money. I don't know exactly how the economy of it or the pricing works for it, but let's say the 67. No price. How about the 72? 66. How about the 95? 329? What? How about, I guess that's the biggest one it comes. Yeah, I guess you're gonna have to get a cheaper lens if you want a cheaper Tiffen. But yeah, you see how the prices are kind of different for each size, and that's kind of important to know, especially at what lens you want to get. The 58, also the prices vary between the 1/8. Let's see how much that is. Same price. So I guess if you change it, it doesn't really matter. For some reason it's cheaper when it's less. When more halation, the cheaper it is. I'm assuming it's because people don't want the effect to be that strong. They want a subtle effect, so they buy the 1/8 or the 1/4. But the 1 is very strong. And see how the higher the density gets, the cheaper it gets, because people, I guess, they don't want to mess around with an effect that's too strong. Like for 3, it's probably really cheap. Yeah. The demand for these ones are less, and that's why it affects the price. But I'm assuming the 1/8 is very subtle and people don't want to mess with their footage too much. They want to have that professional look. They don't want to apply too many effects on it, so they'll get the 1/8, and that is the most expensive one. I got the 1/2 because I wanted the effect to be very noticeable. I wanted that halation glow. I wanted that soft look. And as you can see, this is with and this is without. thank you for watching. My name is Safi, S-A-F-I, and if you want to leave me a comment to give me some guidance, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.